Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Modern Warfare 2. You got the error. The application has unexpectedly stopped working. Let's fix it guys. First step, you just need to open up a GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, you just need to open up the AMD software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After doing it, go to home. You just need to find the Call of Duty in this list and select the details. Select the spanner icon on here. Resolution, click on the drop down and select the recommended resolution, and display mode, set the full screen recommended, and you just need to drag this point to performance and select apply to save changes. After doing it, just close stuff here. The second step, you just need to open up Steam. In Steam, you just need to right click on the Call of Duty and select properties. Now you just need to check my video description for this launch option used in my video, just to copy and paste it. After pasting it, click on outside and it will be saved. Now you need to select the installed files. Select verify integrity of game files. After getting done, if you are using battle.net, then you just need to click on this gear icon and select scan and repair option to verify the files. After getting done, let's move on to the third step guys. Third step, you just need to go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After getting your up to date, just close stuff here. The fourth step, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type percentage temp percentage again. Click on OK to open up. In here, you just need to click on any folder and press in keyboard Ctrl+A to select all, and right click on it and select delete it. These are all temporary files guys. Select do this for all current items and select skip. After doing these 4 steps, you just need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.